Okay, hi. We're
Hello.
professional hair detanglers. Could you tell us more about yourself today?
Sure. I'm Miss A from the North,
Okay.
and I heard about your service from the internet
Okay.
because I was on a journey to find out how to do something about my hair.
Yeah.
Here I am.
Okay, so how did you get here with your hair?
I got here because there's a certain standard that you should have about your personal grooming. And dealing with natural hair, it was a little difficult for me
Yeah.
in the transition. I tried to take care of it, and I made it worse.
Okay.
And I couldn't find anyone really to help me. What they wanted to do was cut it all off. As a matter of fact, one person told me to start by cutting my hair myself and then go to a barber and have the barber take the rest off and start over.
So you didn't want to do that.
Oh, absolutely not.
Got you.
Absolutely not. And this is no shame or shade toward anyone that has short hair. Everyone has to do what's best for themselves. And for me, I always picture myself a certain way,
Right.
and so that's why I'm here.
Okay.
Mhm.
I got you. Okay, so could you tell me about how like your hair affected you in your everyday, today, like events or anything that you like to do?